Sometimes people ask me, why am I so productive? How is it that I can write 4 books a year, give 100 talks, run 3 businesses, and do so much stuff of volunteer nature, traveling all over the world? Well, the answer is my organization system. And it's interesting, they interviewed 50 presidents of fast-growing companies in Inc. magazine. And they asked them, what time management system do you use? And you know, 49 out of the 50 used a yellow pad where they write down everything before they start. They said, well, what about a BlackBerry? What about a time management system? And what about, no, they just take a sheet of paper and they write down everything they have to do the night before, and they work from their list all day long. And you know, that's what I've been doing all my life. It's the most powerful time management tool of all. It's clear, it's visible, it's right there. You add new things onto it, you tick them off as you accomplish them, you roll forward the things you didn't complete to the next day. Most amazing time management system of all is a pad of paper, a pen, and you every single day.
You need a guide for your goals. Success is the result of taking the right steps, making decisions, and implementing actions with discipline. With the roadmap provided by the Digital Life Planner, you will take that first step, which may have seemed challenging until now. Here's a universal rule: you can only change what you can measure. Therefore, when setting your goals, you must keep a regular record of their progress. Within 90 days, so just in 13 weeks, Digital Life Planner will help you establish routines, constantly review your observed goals, and guide you to easily reach where you want to be in life. Building a plan, the most crucial step towards success, is designing the path to get there. Digital Life Planner will assist you in acquiring the routines that will accompany you on this journey. Tracking progress, you will closely monitor the progress of your goals. This will keep your goals under close observation and allow you to shape your action plan as needed. A successful and happy life. We achieve the life we desire by building it step by step, not by waiting around. With this planner, you will reach your set goals and incorporate magical routines into your life, boosting your motivation. What does this digital planner look like? A tool to plan your desired life in 90 days. A path to easily, quickly, and clearly achieve your goals. The secret: finding and asking the right and simple questions. Digital Life Planner prompts you to ask yourself the right questions on the road to your goals. Each new day presents a unique and fresh opportunity to reach your goal. There is a cloud of uncertainty between your goal and you. It helps you see your path more clearly. With its questions, you will know your reasons for getting out of bed every morning and what you need to do for a successful and happy life throughout the day. A successful and happy life is measured and planned with numeric values. This planner provides clarity. You can see your performance week by week. You can easily understand what you should stop doing and what you need to include in your life with just a glance. The magic of paper and pen. There is a saying, every dream written on paper with a date becomes a goal. Greg Reed. Every goal put into writing becomes attainable. By recording what you do for that goal every day, you'll make it a reality. Design your life like a professional. Become productive, not just busy all the time.